everyone. So we'll discuss about memory hierarchical technology. So here the storage devices such as register, caches, main memory, disk devices and backup storage are often organized as the hierarchy. Okay. The memory technology and the storage organization at each level is characterized by 5 parameters. So the first one is access time T1, second one is memory size SI, cost per byte CI, transfer bandwidth BI, unit of transfer XI. So access time represents the round trip time from CPU to the ith level, and memory size represents the number of bytes or words in level I, and the transfer bandwidth, it gives the rate of transfer between levels, and unit of transfer gives the grain size of a transfers between level I and the I plus 1. So this is a image you can see here, which represents the registers in CPU, caches in RAM, main memory in RAMs, disk storage, backup storage. So these are the some levels. So starts from level 0 to level 4, that is from registers to backup storage. So that we'll study in details. So memory devices at the lower levels are faster to access, are smaller in capacity, are more expensive per byte, have a higher bandwidth and have a smaller unit of transfer. So in general, T of I minus 1 is less than Ti, S of I minus 1 is less than Si, and C of I plus 1, I minus 1 is greater than Ci, and B of I minus 1 is greater than Bi, where X of I minus 1 is less than Xi for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 4. So in hierarchy, where I is equal to 0 correspond to the CPU register level. The cache is at the level 1, main memory at level 2, the disk at the level 3 and the backup storage at the level 4. So first one we will see about the registers and caches. So in register, the registers are parts of the processor. The registers are assignment made by the compiler, and the registers transfers operations are directly controlled by the processors after instructions are decoded. This registers transfer is conducted at the processor speed in one clock cycle. So in caches, the caches is controlled by the MMU and the programmer transferent. The cache can also be implemented at one or multiple level depending on the speed and the application requirements. Multiple level caches are built either on the processor chip or on the processor board. Multi-level cache systems have become essential to deal with memory access latency. So next we'll see about the main memory. It is usually much larger than the cache and often implemented by the most cost-effective RAM chips such as DDR, STRAM, that is dual data rate, synchronous dynamic RAM. The main memory is managed by MMU in cooperation with the operating system. So in backup storage and the disk drives, the disk storage is considered the higher level online memory. It holds the system programs such as OS and compilers and user programs and their data sets. Optical disk and the magnetic tape units are offline memory for use as the archival, and the backup storage. They hold copies of present and past user programs and processed results the files. Disk drives are also available in the form of RAID arrays. So next one, the peripheral technologies. In peripheral devices includes printers, plotters, terminals, monitors, graphics, displays, optical scanners, image digitizers, output microfilm devices, etc. Some input-output devices are tied to special purpose or multimedia applications. So these are some of the memory hierarchical technologies.